Welcome to today's episode. We're excited to introduce you to Cyclr's service-embedded iPaaS, designed specifically for outsourced technology, marketing, and data service providers. This powerful platform empowers you to deliver smooth, scalable integrations for multiple clients, all from one centralized, easy-to-manage environment. Whether you're an IT outsourcing provider managing support ticket workflows, an HR tech firm syncing candidate data with recruitment platforms, or a digital marketing agency routing Facebook leads into CRMs, Cyclr makes it easy to build, manage, and scale these integrations without writing complex code. In this video, we're looking at Cyclr from the perspective of a technology and data-focused outsourcing or service agency. We'll explore why Cyclr is the ideal embedded iPaaS platform for building integration and automation solutions that are tailored to your clients' unique needs. First, Cyclr offers built-in multi-tenancy, allowing you to manage multiple client accounts independently within a single platform. This is especially useful when you're delivering similar integration workflows across clients, but each requires its own unique configuration. Take, for example, an IT service outsourcing company that works with real estate development firms. They can set up separate accounts for each client, tailor data mappings to match each client's systems, and even customize parts of a standard workflow to meet specific business needs, turning a generic integration into a personalized solution. Second, Cyclr's vast library of pre-built 500-plus connectors gives you the simplest way to integrate across SaaS platforms and data sources. Each connector offers a set of actions and methods that you can use with Cyclr's intuitive drag-and-drop builder, no complex coding required. Better yet, our team manages and maintains these connectors, including authentication protocols and technical issues, so you don't have to worry about these elements as they are all taken care of. For example, digital marketing agencies often take full advantage of our marketing automation and CRM connectors to streamline client campaigns and customer data management without writing a single line of code. Another key advantage is Cyclr's attractive subscription model, which supports unlimited integration flows and connector. This gives you the freedom to design and deliver tailored integration proposals for a wide variety of customer needs and system architectures without worrying about hidden limitations. Third, the growing demand for artificial intelligence integration is a major driver of modern automation, and Cyclr is well equipped to meet that demand. The platform offers a wide range of AI connectors, making it easy to build intelligent agentic workflows. For example, you can create an AI knowledge agent by integrating a communication tool like Slack with ChatGPT-4. Build AI-powered email assistants using Gmail, generative AI such as Claude AI, and HubSpot, or develop an AI document assistant that combines OCR solutions with data storage tools like Google Drive. These examples show just how easy it is to create customer AI-powered services using Cyclr's low-code workflow designer. In conclusion, we explored how Cyclr empowers service providers to deliver secure, scalable, and customized integrations tailored to each client's specific needs. Whether you're building workflows across CRM, support, HR tech, or AI services, Cyclr simplifies the process from end to end. If you're interested in trying Cyclr or have any questions, our team is here to help. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your watching.